choice. Back like I never left. The first one in which I'm dropping in 2024.
And it's with an artist with a unique flow.
And this one is called Flavors of Sound, a conversation with Chef Grizzy.
Boom pow.
Posted with the shakers and the movers. Ain't nobody cooler. See him trying to pray how I maneuver. A young G moving my brody got a block card in Bermuda. Should've been fucking shit up sooner. Hold on. In it for the glory in the
Ain't gonna lie, first time I heard his voice, I was like, rah, this is rough. It's different, but it's cold.
Now the main genres in which I place him is hip hop, rap, alternative, soul, and blues.
Now this is an artist with range, so without further ado, let's get into it.
You know, like when you was like younger, being like an artist or whatever, like, it's like it was almost you didn't know much about them other than like the music they make and like,
Yeah.
so like, you didn't see niggas like snapping what they had for fucking breakfast and shit. Just like niggas was just to themselves and like
Yeah.
fans that respected the fact that they were like not as tangible as like people demand them to be now. Do you know what I mean? And it's like, yeah, I feel that shit's so dead, bro. Like,
Chat. So that's one thing which you're gonna struggle with.
yeah, but it's one of the things where it's like, I don't know, like a couple of years ago, I just looked myself in the mirror and you have to have these like, important conversations with yourself and you gotta be honest with yourself about what you really want. Like, you know what I mean? Obviously, I don't care like to be tough for like shit like fame or whatever, like it's neither here nor there to me, innit? But I understand that like the level I'm trying to get to with this shit, like kind of comes with it, sort of.
Chef Grizzy is an interesting character, but one thing is for certain, he wants his music to do the talking rather than anything else which may be around his persona.
That's whatever, but like in the forefront it needs to be the music, bro. Like, you know how a lot of celebrities just like, it's got bare slander going on and like, yeah, I mean, like, that's part of like their team. Like, it's like this whole gossip culture we've got going on.
Clout culture. Sounds like the Cookie Monster, right?
You know what it is? Yeah, someone like my son, it was either my sister or like, I was just like, bro, you used to be mumbling, like, you used to be
Like, he has this hoarseness to his voice, but that's another layer to his uniqueness, no?
Do you know what it is? Yeah, like, unless I'm like mad, like, I don't actually talk a lot still. If you're asking me where I work, yeah, like, what I'm like, I couldn't tell you, bro. I'm just like, I'm actually quiet outside of like, do you know what I mean?
Chat.
You know it, like, you don't know, bro.
So, can we get a Chef Grizzy exclusive?
Fuck you.
Yeah, the next release, bro. Hey.
Cool. The next year, January straight. It's called The Corn, innit?
Okay. Yeah.
I was in the field all day like corn. I know a couple men tried their righteous. I got a couple men trying to fly corn. About 1 or 2 thoughts on night shifts. About 3 or 4 entrepreneurs. But regardless, without them on stuff, you already get to the bread, of course. I think you don't make a man just for us. I might just pull up with the cheese and shit. Went from east side of the sea, yeah, where the demons live.
Jeez, yeah, I'm feeling this. Can't lie, Chef Grizzy is an artist you can't sleep on. Take him in now, or take him in later. His future is bright in this game.
It's gotta be levels, bro. Do you know what I mean? For to make this shit out levels, it takes time, innit?
Gotta put in the work. I hear you.
As a classy nigga, bro. Do you know what I mean? And the shit is just, yeah, me, like, very top tier stuff that me and the boys are making still, like, do you know what I mean?
Jeez.
I mean, no, do you know what it is? I don't really be talking about shit too tough, innit? Like, first. No, I'm not doing it for no reason. First of all. Secondly, I got niggas telling me I'm nice with it every day, bro. Like, no, get me, like.
It's true, it's true, yeah.
Like, get me,
yeah, own it, fam.
I must be doing something right. The way people the way people regard me, the way people speak on my team, like, do you know what I mean? Like, get me, like, yeah. And it's like, after niggas that rape, man, like, don't even know.
The work rate in which they're putting behind the scenes, making music, getting in the studio. Kudos to all the artists putting in that work.
Like 3, 4 in the morning or something, fuck or foul like that, yeah. And it's just like, no one else in the world, like, knows this exists right now.
Remember what I said? Chef Grizzy's a versatile artist, so we were in for another exclusive. Oh, wait.
Baby, I'm a road boy, looking like 100 degrees. Them niggas forcing it, but they ain't got nothing on me. The pattern gorgeous, you should come and fuck with a G. I know you feel that boy, shorty, why you frontin' on me? G's Louise, no Madam T, go dumb on the beat. Only ride that I bless it up with vocals from me. Blowing reefer in the air, doggy, you know how it be. Life got me rolling with punches, and so I roll up my weed. Okay.
It's cold. So for yourself, bro, obviously, what sort of music genres would you say you make, or you're invested in as such?
I'll be real honest with you, but like, the longer I make music, yeah, the harder that question is to answer. But like I do it, like, bro, like, we just try stuff and like here's it, like, you see where it is, yeah, I've always like understood it, and like, I thank God for like my parents in a sense, but like when I was like growing up, yeah, like I remember them having like good music taste and like that kind of effects, like I'd imagine like the curve of like music, like all the textures of sounds that like hit me, do you know what I mean?
I can hear that.
Appease me, like, you know. Bro, there are some wavy rock songs, like it's not every time, you know, there's like wavy songs of bare different genres, bro. Like, I'll listen to some like old like Portuguese like folk music, yeah, and it's like the weirdest thing I've ever heard, bro. Like, do you know what I mean? Like good music is good music, and the way music is being like consumed over like the coming like last coming years has been like way different to like how it used to be.
He's not lying. Back in the old days, people used to go to live performances to get the music that they wanted. Now, at a click of a button, you can get music instantaneously from YouTube, Spotify, etc. It's changed the game.
Maybe like taking content, taking sound, taking images, like the speed at which we do it, yeah, like, yeah, it's just like, I don't know, I feel like people be like, just like accepting any stimulus.
I hear it, because at the end of the day, it's true. The music industry is just mad saturated these days. Plus, it's hard to find unique artists, but that's why I'm here, you know? I'm trying to highlight, you know? Hey, so I got a little tour of the studio. Sure. And it's fair to say, so this is where the magic happens.
I've been 10-toeing in some night airs, in my pioneering ain't nothing like theirs. They ain't all what I'm on, niggas quite scared. Probably give up and ain't even try first. To pursue the belly ain't quite there. If they didn't like me, why would I care? Making moves and we getting high bears. Keep it cruddy even when it might hurt. Busy nigga with no time spare for the right price, brother. I'm there for my dream. You making some wavy shit in this stuff.
You know? Yeah. Now back to the Q&A. What artists would you say are your musical inspirations?
I hate this question. I never know what to say. I don't know. I used to listen to a lot of like Lil Wayne when I was like younger.
Yeah.
I used to just like people have like if I was to like pinpoint artists that like I used to like listen to like religiously, I'm gonna say that like Lil Wayne, Kendrick Lamar, just bare other stuff. Fucking like well, I used to listen to like bare like grime and stuff when I was youth as well.
Yeah.
Kano, forget some Rich.
What genre of music
Skepta.
would you say? Oh, okay.
Yeah, just bare like, yeah, it's like bare like, it's like I used to listen to all them Channel U drinks and that. You know what I mean?
What motivated you to push out music in the first place then?
You know what, yeah, I feel like stuff like I might like touch on in like music, obviously I just like certain like themes involved. Like, do you know what I mean? I speak on certain things. Like I speak for like people who like can't necessarily like tell their story, like their life experiences. And like I don't know, yeah, it's just like expression and like and as well as that like I don't know. I feel like people might hear it and like feel something, do you know what I mean? And I feel that's like my driving force in it, like I'm just trying to like make people feel some shit like.
Yourself that not many people know. Boom.
I don't know, man. I feel there's bad stuff not many people know about me still.
Yeah.
But, yeah, man. How fucking well am I trying to let these niggas know me? No, I'm joking, bro, like, I know I look fucking cool and shit, bro. I swear to God, I'm a fucking weirdo, bro. Bro, I swear to God. Like, niggas think I'm so cool, bro. Like, nah, bro, I'm hella strange. I swear to God.
Oh no, I love that.
Bro, I swear to God, I'm so strange. Like, bro, like, people that get to know me, they're like, raw, like, I swear, like, do you know what I mean? You're interesting, bro. Like, do you know what I mean? I swear I'm on the spectrum, bro. Like, I swear to God, bro.
Hey.
Like, that deep, like.
I mean, Chef Grizzy, why did they call you that name?
Alright, you know what, yeah, the chef is a the Grizzy's a constant. I've always been called Grizzy. It was Grizzy, like, it was 2-3 different types of Grizzy, bro. Like, it's like Grizzy Pink and then Grizzy Savage.
Eh?
Yeah, bare, bro, random, so random, bro. Like, you know,
Grizzy, yeah?
yeah, man. Like, and then, like, it was just Grizzy for, like, a long time, innit? Like, and then I remember, cause, alright, cool. I used to work in an Italian restaurant. I used to, like, actually do the whole chef thing stuff. Like, yeah. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, some of that thing still. Yeah, while I was at uni and that, like, yeah, like, I fucking worked in, like, yeah. I can't lie, I love being a chef still. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, cooking and stuff is, like, mad cool still.
Yeah, what sort of things you
different,
cook
like,
up?
alright, cool, like, yeah, like, that spot was, like, an Italian restaurant, so I, like, learned better stuff there, yeah.
Jeez, man, said Chef Grizzy was really the chef.
Yeah, like, obviously, like, niggas like, knew me as Grizzy, innit? And, like, obviously, like, yeah, me, like, people usually be, like, in, like, restaurants, yeah, if you, like, working at the kitchen stuff, yeah. Whether you're a cook or you're not, yeah, you're referred to as chef, innit? Like, obviously, like, more so if you do actually cook in there, and, like, do you know what I mean? And then, like, yeah, like, obviously, I've always been, like, known as Grizzy, like, around them times, and, like, yeah. And then, like, yeah, one of the chefs was like, yeah, Chef Grizzy. And I was just like, yo,
Yeah.
I like how that sounds. Like, I remember just hearing it and I was thinking, yo, that sounds hard. Perfect.
That's the end of episode 4. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And just know, there's more to come.
So what, this is secret one?
Yeah, we can't film this one still.
I swear.
Yeah.
Say that.
Till next time.